I'm stuck in my everyday life. Every day looks the same to me.
First I have breakfast and coffee with Matija. Then we work. At 12 we cook lunch and after lunch we take rest. Then the second coffee of the day and afternoon work. After that I have some exercise, dinner, Netflix and sleep.
And the next day we repeat everything all over again. Is it fun? No. It's convenient, but it's not fun. How can I change that? It was New Year's Eve, convenient, and I made New Year's resolution. I decided that I will plan one adventure a week for every week of this year. The year has 52 weeks. That means 52 adventures this year. If anything, I was sure that would break my everyday routine. And it did. We are in the middle of March. We are on one of our many adventures this year, climbing a beautiful mountain, and it's great. You don't see that on the video, but we are hiking for 2 hours now, and I'm out of fuel, so sandwich. Delish.
I think it's nothing wrong with having a routine in my life. Routine gives me a sense of order and security, and it helps me to make progress with my career. But when I get stuck in an everyday routine for many weeks or even months, well, then my life gets boring. And if I don't want to have a boring life, I need to keep my routine and adventure time in balance.